Well, welcome back. You are watching The Gadget Show, and now it's time for a bout of unboxing. And unless I'm very much mistaken, Georgie's at the plinth, ready for action.
Indeed I am. How do you like to wake up to something hot and steamy?
Oh, thanks for the offer, George, but I'm already married.
Kind of set you up for that one, not gonna lie. I'm actually speaking about the gadget inside this box. It not only is an alarm clock, but it also makes you a hot beverage at the same time.
A tea's made, then?
No, not a tea's made, a Barisieur.
A Barisieur what?
A Barisieur. It claims to balance simplicity with mystified alchemy to help promote feelings of nostalgia.
Does anyone know what any of that means?
Nope, but alchemy and mystify sound good to me. Let's get on with it. I'd rather like a coffee.
All right, John, we're on it. Calm down.
We're on it, yeah. So, when we get the next bit out, you'll see what the design was inspired by, which was, in fact, an old record player.
Oh, I see. I can see where the design comes from.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It's quite heavy as well. So, whose idea was it to reinvent the tea's made, then?
So it was actually designed by a student who managed to raise over $1 million on Kickstarter, so it did incredibly well.
And how much does it cost?
So it's £345.
That's an awful lot of money, Georgie, 345 quid, and it only makes one cup.
Yeah, but look, it's beautifully designed.
It is nicely designed.
Now, your milk goes in here, and the really clever thing about that is that this little compartment down here actually keeps it cool.
So it's refrigerated.
So it doesn't go off during the night.
Okay.
And then if you take that top bit off...
OK, this is where the water will go, I take it?
This is where the water... Now, it doesn't just do coffee, it can also do loose tea. So if you prefer a cup of tea in the morning...
The way I see it, though, we've got an alarm clock, come record player, come chemistry set, which is going to start dripping in the morning, make you want to get out of bed and have a wee, and it's going to make your bedroom smell like a calf. Am I missing something?
You need to wake up and smell the coffee, Craig.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know, it's just something people say, right?
Right, do you want a cup of coffee?
Coffee for me.
OK. 2 scoops at the top.
OK.
And that is how you go to sleep. Then you set your alarm and whether you want it to be made 5 minutes before you wake up, 5 minutes after you wake up. Right, let me put a brew on. How long is the next item?
4 minutes and 4 seconds.
OK, right, perfect. I can set this for 4 minutes' time. Coffee is ready. Craig, would you like some milk with it?
Yes, please.
Look at that, freshly brewed.
Well, I don't know if the Barisieur will ever be as iconic as the Goblin Tea's made, say. The coffee is delicious.
Good.
Should be for that kind of money, though, shouldn't it? So I don't think it's going to be as iconic as some of the residents on our all-new Wall of Fame, either.